Hi guys, Julie here from Renovating Made Easy, and today I'm coming to you from Hopetoun. I'm standing in front of the old Hopetoun railway station that was built back at the turn of the 20th century for gold prospectors actually coming into town. There was a gold mine back in those days. So it's a gorgeous little town of about 1,000. Well, the last census says that there's 1,000 people that live in Hopetoun, but by all accounts from the people that I've spoken to while I've been here, that's actually over 2,000 now, because quite a few mines have come into town between here and Ravensthorpe, which is about 40 minutes away, and I think most of the mines are more around Ravensthorpe, but people prefer to live in Hopetoun because it's so pretty here by the ocean, and it's right next to the Fitzgerald River National Park, which is an amazing biosphere with plants in that park that you don't find anywhere else in the world. So it's quite famous environmentally, and more tourists are coming here as well. So the town, it will be interesting in the next census to see, but people are thinking that there's more like 2,500 people living here and growing, because the mines are doing very well. There's now a nickel mine, which there was a few years ago, and it closed down suddenly, but it's now back up and running. They're saying it will be for the next 20 years. There's also a lithium mine and a graphite mine, and talk of other mines coming in as well. So quite interesting. I'll just do a little I'll just do a pan around so that you can actually, I'm going to have to stay in it so that I can see what you're seeing. So we've got the beach right here behind us. I'm at the park where the children play after school. None here at the moment. What can we see here? There's bouncy things, and then across the road, I still can't see very well because I'm looking into the sun, but I'm not sure if you can see the pub over there. It's a gorgeous old port hotel, 1907. And then the jetty at the end of the street there. So it's the main street over here, and gorgeous little old houses. So as far as real estate goes, I had a look at a renovate or detonate actually for 90,000, but it was pretty bad. I wouldn't have tackled it actually. So but generally the houses in town are more around the 210 to 250,000, and there's no rental vacancies in town because of the families now coming to town. The mines are encouraging families to live here instead of do fly in, fly out. There is an airport here and there is some fly in, fly out, but yeah, there's a lot of new families to the town. Spoke to a man that moved here 2 years ago. He said that their primary school had 62 children, now there's 125. So I think it was actually 18 months ago that he moved here. So yeah, definitely families are coming. There's also more lifestyle blocks available, a couple of acres I think they are. They overlook the Mount Barron, which is the mountain in the national park. A lot of them you can walk to the beach directly from your block, and they're selling for around 100,000. So it seems to be fairly good value. It seems to be a town that has got a fair bit of potential, and yeah, worth having a look at, or even just coming for a holiday. It's gorgeous. Okay, until next time, see ya.